Hey guys, how we doing? So welcome to the School of Happiness, and welcome to Skool.com as well. So that's the platform we're using, and I would like to show you a little tour of what it's about. And just 1 second. I'll update here. Okay, so when you come in, you're going to see here. You'll see up in the top left hand side, community. So that's questions to ponder. So what makes you happy? What's the best advice you've ever received? Who do you admire? What's your dreams for the future, and how can we contribute? And then you have all different engagements. You can put in comments where you are, what's happening with things. Then you go into the classroom, okay, on the top bar, and then you have welcome and start. So you have a video from me welcoming you. Then you have breathing and your body. So you have a breathing exercises you can use every day. You can play that video and just mark it as it's done. And then you have questions for happiness. So you just click that as completed when you're done. And you also have tools for change, mini sessions. So mini sessions are available for me, breakthrough sessions, transform your life series, money school, and welcome to Fantastico. So that's just a little video of Fantastico just in action, being the magic that Fantastico is. How does it get any better than that? And then the gratitude videos. So just have some of the gratitude videos and people who did courses with me. So how does it get any better than that? Then the next one is you can go into calendar, you can create an event or see what's coming up. We'll have information there on classes that are upcoming. And then the members, all the people who are members, so you're all part of this community of School of Happiness. We want people interacting and engaging, so that's important. Then the leaderboard is just a fun thing for people who are engaging and who is ahead and who's having fun with it. So yeah, it's interesting to see. And then we have an about. So just the School of Happiness and what it's about. So a place to empower, inspire and educate people to be happier. So how does it get any better than that? And we've got 41 members already. Yay! How does it get any better? Cool. So just play with it, guys, enjoy it. And then another thing also, you go up here and go into this arrow here. You can discover communities. So let's say if you do, as an example, consciousness. And then it just gives you all different types of groups, and ones that have members, ones who don't have members. And it's like a Facebook for education. So it's pretty freaking awesome. How does it get any better? You can put in whatever you want. Put in money, let's say, as an example. Okay, Brotherhood of Scent, real men, real community. So then all different projects. AI Guy Academy, End the Struggle, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So you have access to all of that, and yeah, there's all different ones there. So School of Happiness, how does it get any better than that? So yeah, we'd love you to enjoy the experience, utilize it and make the most out of it. So how does it get any better? Cool. See you in a while, guys. Have a great day.